Alright guys, so I ended up putting a belly pipe on my Avenger 85 build. I didn't intend to do this. What happened was is a stock pipe on mine failed at about 4 hours. So I did one of these deals, and you're starting to hear about this a lot on the internet. But the rivets just shear themselves off. They're just aluminum rivets. The vibration gets them, they fall apart. So the whole bottom end fell off. So anyways, just a little information here. From here to your motor, that is the exhaust pipe. This is nothing more than a silencer. It's one of those. So if yours does do this and you really want to keep it on, you can just buy one of those on Amazon and it'll line up the same. It's the same bolt pattern. So you could do that. Because if you were to buy this as a set, you get their header and this, and it comes together. It's like 50 bucks on eBay right now, which is ridiculous. And that right there costs you 20 bucks. So bolt it right in place. You can bolt it any angle you want. Same thing. But anyways, that is the story of why I have a belly pipe now on it, and we're not running it stock anymore. So one other thing to note too, this is the Go Max kit. My fuel filter leaked right out of the package, so I just had to redo that as well. I was getting a drip down here, and I'm like, oh man, the carb's leaking. And found out it's the fuel filter was leaking right out of the edge of it.